To many of you. So just we have taken one question for today, and the question is from logarithm. Okay. The question is that if log of the question is that if log of k² - 2k + 65 k² - 2k + 65 and the value of this is equal to the value of this is equal to 2, and the log of k² - 2k + 65 is to the base 5 minus k. So the base is 5 minus k over here. So into this case we need to find the value of k. So k equal to what? And we have four options with us, a, b, c and d, and the four options are 0, 1, 5 and -5. It's either 0, it's 1, it's 5 or -5. So which of these options are correct, that we need to see, right? So students, just take the equation, the value which is given to you, log of k² - 2k + 65 base 5 minus k. So just use the formula. What is the formula? Log of x base y can be written as log x by log y, right? So just remember this formula, just remember it and apply it over here. Then the above equation can be written as log of k² - 2k + 65 divided by, using the same, divided by log 5 minus k, log of 5 minus k, and this value is equal to 2, right? Now when we just cross multiply, then we can write log of k² - 2k + 65 is equal to 2 times log of 5 minus k. Hello Aryandru, hello, very good evening to you. How are you? 2 times log 5 minus k, right? And hello, which class are you teaching? Hi Aryan. Yeah, this is basically from logarithm class 8, 9, 10, basically school level mathematics. Okay, and it can be used in multiple competitions also. So what we will use the formula over here for the RHS is that if log of x power y, then it can be written as y times log of x. So we will be using this formula or the reverse of this formula into the RHS, and perfectly fine Aryan, thank you so much for letting me know. Okay, let me quickly solve this question. Okay, then we will take up the queries. So since log of x power y can be written as y log x, so you can see if this is 2 is y and x is 5 minus k, then we can write it as log of x power y. So the RHS, this RHS can be written as log of 5 minus k power 2. The 2 will be going into the exponent. Perfectly fine. Thank you so much, Aryan. So this 2 is going to the exponent of 5 minus k, right, over here. So that's why we written over here. So we use this formula, right? And into the LHS we have log of, just write as it is the statement, k² - 2k + 65. Now take the antilog, then we can say that k² - 2k + 65 is equal to 5 minus k whole square. So this will give you k² - 2k + 65 is equal to 5 minus k whole square, right? So this is the equation in front of you. Now just solve it. This implies that k² minus 2k plus 65, and RHS is into the form of a minus b whole square. Just expand. 5 square is 25 plus k² minus 2 into 5 into k, that is 10k. So here you can say, see, k² and k² is cancelled out, right? Hi sweet sister, hello, welcome to the class. So this will give you minus 10k. This minus 10k, when going into the LHS, this will be minus 2k plus 10k, and into the RHS we have 25 minus 65. 25, this 65 going to the RHS, this 65 from LHS to RHS, right? Doubt, clarity, yeah, you can put up your doubt. Yes, you can understand that. Yes, it can be a doubt. Yeah, doubt clarity session, perfectly fine. So 10k minus 2k is nothing but 8k, and 8k is equal to 25 minus 65, which is nothing but minus 40, right? 65 minus 25 is 40, and negative is higher, so that's why minus 40. This give you the value of k. This give you the value of k as minus 40 divided by 8, right? This will give you, this 8 will divide 40 in 5 times. So this will give you the value of k as equal to minus 5. And in this way we have solved this question, and the value of k is equal to minus 5. Right, students? So thank you for watching, and the solution for the above equation is k equal to minus 5. The correct option is option number D, this one, right? Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you. I will come up with a separate session with some different question, with covering some concepts. And for any query, just put up into the comment box. Thank you so much for being connected. S703 sweet sister, hello, and Aryan Dhruv, bye bye. See you.